normally collecting 10,000 kilos per day. Send to the factory. Lot of people working here.
So that's the small ones are the
Yes,
good ones.
this one is we can product the silver tips.
Mhm.
It is good for the our cholesterol. It's good for our health. The silver tip is too much expensive. 5 grand maybe 5,000.
Good. So, but
Good,
this
good.
is very young.
Yes,
So this the dark is old.
dark is old one.
Mhm.
Yeah, this tea plantation is 100 years, 110 years ago old. You know the famous uh, tea plantation Thomas Lipton.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lipton.
So this is Lipton.
No,
I
no.
see.
Now this is a separate,
Okay.
separate management. Nayabad and Craig and Poonad. No Lipton. Lipton
Yeah.
state is 110 years ago ruled in this
Ah, the
area.
rules.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I understand.
Okay. Now do you have any idea about tea? Yes.
Kind of sound, but in your lungs, Lipton.
Would you like?
Right on. Oh no. Not for me. It's heavy, right?
Get the photo?
No, 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 no.
Ah?
That's not
ඒකනේ අපි ඉතින් ඔයාලා ගැන තමයි කියන්නේ. දන්නවා.
How much kilo?
Per day in the 20 kilos.
Yeah,
20
but in
kilos.
one sack,
Now,
how much?
How much
Is
is
in there?
it?
now maybe 6 kilos after they can get the tea break in the 10 o'clock. After get here, after again collecting, normally 2 o'clock they hand it over to the lorry. Maybe here.
Yeah.
ළමයි මේවත් වැඩේ මොකද කරන්නේ නැහැ. ළමයි ඔයත් වැඩ කරනවද ළමයි? මොනවද කරන්නේ? පැට්‍රි.
He can eat no problem. Yeah, in the bitter. Would you like your coffee? Day by day, they go to the